Is your Frenchie making these funny sneezing sounds? It's called reverse sneezing, and it's totally normal for French Bulldogs. Hi, Frenchie's Hub here. Reverse sneezing sounds scary, but is generally harmless. It happens when they inhale air sharply and make snorting sounds. Quick tip! Want to help your Frenchie? Switch from a collar to a harness to reduce the pressure on their throat. Keep your home allergen-free and avoid sudden temperature changes to prevent these episodes. For more tips, hit that follow button.